All right, so we have a new version of FlightOne out. I'm going to show you guys how to install it real quick. I'm doing this on a Mac, but the instructions are similar for a PC. So the first thing you need to do is go to our site and click the download link here. When you're here, you can see it has the clients for the different operating systems like the Mac, the Windows, the Linux. It also has the firmware, but you don't actually need to download this. The configurator will do it for you. There's the Lua script and some OpenTX firmware, etc. So I need the Mac client, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. And it's going to download here. The configurator for the Mac now actually installs. That's why it's a DMG file. So this is going to be pretty easy to set up. The Windows is still a zip file. If you get that, you just need to extract it to a directory and run it from there. So once it's done downloading, I'm just going to click it. It's going to open it up. And there you go. You have a folder. All you need to do now is just drag it into the applications folder, like so. And it's going to ask me if I want to replace it. And there you go. It's going to install it for me. Once it's installed, it's easy enough to find it either on your Launchpad, somewhere in here. Oh, there it is. Or you can just go and run it from your applications. It's going to ask if it's okay to run it from the web. The first time, you just pick open. And there you go. The configurator should be open now.